Don't fall.
Oh my god!
Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, stop! Okay, so World of Tanks has came to us for an awesome opportunity to do something from the game. So they sponsored this build. And naturally, we are going to build a tank. Let's start the build. Whee!
That looks so good. Peter's dad is a very nice welder. Peter!
What?
Come check this out.
Alright, let's see this tank, Sam. Let's see how expert your CAD skills are.
I deserve a undefined drink because we're not sponsored.
Beverage.
What do you think?
Oh my god, it looks so cool. We'll not have to do anything other than the millions of little tracks we had to made. But this is pretty sweet.
Stand in it. Let us push you around.
Instrument.
Oh, it's a xylophone.
Push him around.
Push the tank. Oh my god, it works. It's so cool. Okay, back to the montage.
You have 4 different.
I have its internal organs. Okay, so this is what we've got. That's all we really bought. Some big drive motors, a motor controller, and a charger, and some big old lead acid batteries over there. Care to explain phase 2 now, Sam?
Yes.
Oh my god, I think it's stopped.
Oh, it works!
No way, that's so cool. Oh my god. Hey.
A few moments later.
We have a winner. Oh, no, stop. Okay, Sam. Well, it looks like that's gonna be a problem.
No.
So what's going on now?
Tanks suck.
Yeah, they're kind of hard to engineer. Now I know why these are so expensive.
If these were mounted with hinges, it would have done better.
Well, already then.
Nylon
Too
sucks.
flexy. Sam, it's all yours. Let's say we take it for a test drive.
Let's go.
Sam, what did you do to my army? You flattened my entire army battalion tank battle force. Well, that was fun. We squished all the things. But you know what's pretty American about a Sherman tank? Fireworks. Oh wait, that should be an American thing. Let's go with some fireworks.
Nice.
Hey, Scotty.
Some conveyor belting. Yeah, how's it going?
Too bad. Hook us up with some fireworks.
Absolutely.
Do a tank video. All right, Scotty, what do you got? Put your hands up. Oh, Dara. You got something for us to shoot?
I got them right here, brother.
Awesome.
Pow.
Okay, Sam, we probably should equip this tank with stuff. So, we're gonna get some of these. The ball. Oh. And here's the other type of ammo. So we'll get some of these too.
Those are big rockets.
Oh wait, before we leave, hey Scotty, if they want some fireworks, where should they come to get them?
Wholesale fireworks outlet, Cedar Grove, Indiana.
Nice cannon.
Hey old man, what time is it?
I don't know.
No?
It's getting late.
It's time to shoot some fireworks.
What? What the hell was that?
Fire in the hole! Oh my god! Fire in the hole!
Go that way.
One, two, three.
All right, Sam, you ready for Operation Barbecue Assault? I guess it's a yes. Go, go, go.
Oh, what happened?
What'd you think, old man?
I think the steak is done.
This tank is so cool.
You put a hole in my grill.
It's pretty cool. I'm sad the batteries are. Wait. Oh yeah.
Look at the
oh,
hole.
your grill is done.
I've had that for years.
I think your grill's a little rusted out. What'd you say, Sam? Should we go back to the shop and debrief?
We should go to Walmart and get me a new grill.
Nah. Okay, I guess we probably should talk about the tank now. You designed it, so we'll have you talk. Wait, we should probably talk about World of Tanks. They made this video possible. World of Tanks is a free-to-play, team-based game with over 500 historically accurate tanks and over 150 million players worldwide. World of Tanks will be celebrating the 4th of July with special in-game events like 5 times experience for your first victory and exclusive bundle offers. If you're signing up for a new account, we hooked you up some sweet deals. Use the code PETER2018 and you'll receive a T14 Premium American Heavy Tank, crew boosters, a free garage slot, and some extra modules for your tank. But keep in mind, this only works for new accounts. So, once again, thanks to World of Tanks for making this happen. If you guys want to support the channel, definitely check out the game. We'd love to do more stuff like this in the future, and definitely use that code to get that free swag and stuff. And back to you, Sam. So what do we actually do to this tank? Because I noticed the belt change and stuff, and yeah.
So we did a lot that's not covered in your video, and I'll have a short video with a little more in depth of what we did. If you're curious, check out my channel and look at that video.
So yeah, definitely check out Sam's channel. Also, let's try to see if we get him a silver play button, because I have a silver play button on the wall. It'd be really cool to get you one, Sam, right?
Yeah, I want one of those.
You want one of those? So let's see if we can get him past 100,000 subscribers. Really, he's really trying to, you're trying to do the YouTube thing actually now because, you lost your job.
Yeah.
You need to find something to do. So hopefully there'll be more Sam projects too. If you really want to find out behind the scenes where he got the inspiration from for the tank, check out his channel. And yeah, definitely signing out for now.
But Peter,
What?
what's that?
Oh, this is next week's video.